Ipauubaya na ng palasyo kay Justice Secretary Leila de Lima ang usapin ng umano'y pagtanggap ng suhol ng public prosecutors mula sa mga akusadong ampatuan sa kaso ng Maguindanao Massacre. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lecerda, may hindi man pagkakaintindihan ng private at public prosecutors, nasa mga abogado pa rin ng pamahalaan ang control at supervision sa kaso. Binigyang diin ni Lecerda na nais ng pamahalaan na magkaroon ng sapat na ebidensya para mapanagot ang mga nasa likod ng Maguindanao Massacre.
In any criminal procedure naman kasi, there may be differences between the approach taken by the private and between the private and the public prosecutor, but procedurally speaking, it's the public prosecutors who have control and supervision. Secretary Leila de Lima and Undersecretary Baran, I think Undersecretary Baran would be best, would be asked to explain, or I think he has already explained the situation in that respect. So we would defer to the DOJ on the accusations by one of the witnesses.